this video, we're going to talk about publishing a book and selling it using a ThriveCart account. It's really easy to do. Let me take you a little bit behind the scenes here and give you a couple of pointers before we get started into it. I've written and published 27 books. I write for clients as well as companies and for myself. It's a great way to create passive income, but really one of the greatest outcomes is a personal achievement of writing and publishing a book, and also building credibility in the marketplace if you are looking to establish yourself as an expert or be recognized for what you do. Ebooks have been a really good tool for myself, promoting it through LinkedIn. Through Facebook, I would probably suggest paid ads would be better because organic marketing is really hard to get your book out there with all the filters and algorithms. But definitely using LinkedIn to get your book out there, and the way you use ThriveCart to make this process automatic is to set up a very simple funnel. I'm going to talk you through that and show you how to do it, but I'm also going to give you a few pointers. So, like I said, publishing your own book is a great experience. It's very rewarding. It can help you generate passive income. And depending on what your strategy and your objectives are, you can use it for many different ways. A few of the most common ways that I've seen is people wanting to create passive income. The second option is people wanting to be seen as an expert in their field. The third is as an information book to give to potential clients that want to sign up with you. Another way is to use it as a lead generation tool to build your email list or bring people into your space. There's lots of different ways to do it. When you've created your book, you'll need to think about your distribution. If you set it up the right way in the right format, you can distribute it through commercial channels like Amazon, Barnes and Noble, and there's also aggregators out there that will take your book and distribute it to a wide number of companies. Now, when you are selling a book, there's no guarantee you're going to be a millionaire, but depending on the topic and what you write about, you can definitely make a lot of money. To do this as a distribution and a funnel, the first thing you need to do is create a course in ThriveCart. Exactly the same as I showed you before with creating courses. It's very simple. You go in, you create your course. And then you attach your book, any other resource material, and then you save it. The second step is you need to go and create a sales page. And the sales page will link to the course, which is the ebook, and that will automatically deliver it. You have the choice. You can make your ebook for free. You can charge a fee. You might use it as a tempter and give one chapter away for free, and through your email sequence follow up and send the readers or the customers who sign up for it a link to your Amazon account so that you can make more sales. There's lots of different ways to use it. But as a minimum, if you've published a book, at least create one sales page or one landing page, add it to your bio, and give people an option to get at least a little bit of it through your ThriveCart sales page so they can get to know you. And if they like it and they found it really helpful, they can go and purchase the whole book online elsewhere if that's what you choose to do. What price should you sell your book for? Totally up to you. What do you value the information as? What will your customer value the information as? I've sold books for cheap as $4.99 and I've sold books for $100. It really just depends on what the value that you're offering and how important is that to your end customer. You may be selling a big course or a high ticket coaching program, and a book is a really great way to just give people a gateway into your space and learn about you. In this case, you really wouldn't want to price it any more than $20 because the profit is at the back end, is when they sign up for your program. So you've created your course in ThriveCart Learn Plus. You've updated your digital book and uploaded it. Any other resources you've included with it. You might even do an audiobook. Audiobooks are really popular. You create a sales page. You link it, the item from your ThriveCart catalog and the fulfillment. You promote, market, and sell your book. And then the best thing of all, every time a transaction occurs, it's automatically delivered to your customer. Now, let me show you one of my own products that I have. Just give me a second here. So this is a book that I wrote I think about a year ago or maybe 18 months ago, and it's called the 5-Minute Author. Now, when people sign up to purchase this, this is just one of the little funnels that I have. They purchase the book for $4.99, and in the course, let's just have a quick look. They get the book, they get the bonus 1, 2, and 3. So let's show you this one. And they have a welcome video. They get to download the book. They get the bonuses. They get access to additional membership options. Now, the $4.99 is nothing. It's not a big deal. The idea about the pricing on this particular item is not to give people a reason to think twice, but just to go ahead and buy it and for them to have some great results from it. In the video here, this is totally option for you, but I created a Blinkist version of the book, and that's where really I summarized the entire book in just a few minutes. And by doing this, people were able to really get an understanding of what the book includes. They get the main key takeaways, and if they want to go in detail, they can go into the book and have a look at that. So let's just publish this, and let's go to the book section. Always give some instructions to your customers about how they can download it. So when you're creating your course in ThriveCart, you can add a heading, some text, a download button, an image of the book, and then I've also provided an image here. When they click the link, it'll be taking them to this app.box.com, and they can download it. It's really, really simple. So let's go in and do it together just for fun and make one so you can see it right from start to finish. So I'm going to create a new course. I'm going to call this My New Ebook 1. Okay, that's done. So the first part is created. And the next thing I would do is just download book, download ebook. You can do it in any order you like. I like to really provide my end customers with a lot of value, and also it helps me build that relationship with them so they feel comfortable. So you create a module and you just call it download your ebook. You might create another module and you might call this a welcome video. Another thing that you can do is book a call with Trisha, and then you simply take, I have to save this, continue, and then you simply take your Calendly link and then you embed that into this, and then when they're going through the course, they can book a session. Super duper easy. If you want some more information, let me know. And don't forget to check out the other videos I have in this course, because there's a lot of information there that's very repetitive, and it makes it easy for you to remember what to do. So ThriveCart's done a great job of simplifying the whole funnel process. All you need to do is create the products, upload them, create your sales page, link the documents, and it automatically checks out, and it's all done. I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.